Well, hello, my glamorous besties, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video, we're going to be using the Birds of Paradise. I am going to be using the color, I think it's called Creature, with the chunky glitter. I didn't add that footage to it, but all you have to do is set the glitter with a little bit of base coat and just cure it, and it'll be set. So now let's get started. I already have my nails ready, and I already did set the glitter, and this one's going to be a French tip. See, in this hand I did a French tip with the green, the glitter, and I used a nude polygel from another kit because I didn't have one from makartt. This is from a previous kit that I ordered from Amazon. So you just put a little bit in there because you don't need a lot. And then for my slip solution, I use the base coat. Let me get my little flashlight ready for a cure. And I always have a little dapping dish with alcohol for easy cleanup. And now let's start. We're gonna start patting, making sure that we get it from sidewall to sidewall. And we don't need a lot because we don't want any spillage coming out. And then we flash cure it for 30 to 60 seconds, front and back, to make sure it's done. And now for the next nail, a little bit of base coat. Have a little bit of alcohol just for easy cleanup. And then you stick it under your little lamp to cure. So now I'm gonna just, shut up and let y'all watch the process and just enjoy the music. Oh, and by the way, I really love using this method. This is the Femi Beauty method, also known as the Lazy Girl method. I really love this method because it's so easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to do the nails, and you're done in no time. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm going to be quiet again so you can, enjoy the music. And once you're done, don't forget to cure your nails under the UV lamp for 60 seconds to make sure everything's in place. And once you cure, you get this little rubbing alcohol pad and just clean your nails, you know, on the top and bottom to get rid of that tacky layer. So before, when you start filing, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now off camera. I'm just going to give them a quick file to take any of the polygel, and I'm going to give them a quick buff. Now I am done, and now we're going to decorate these babies. This is a kit that I bought off of Amazon, and I'm going to be using this to, you know, add on the little rhinestones that also came in the kit with the birds of paradise, because I don't have any glue. And with this, I'm going to stick on the 2 little gems that came. So you add like a little, you know, a little blob of this clear polygel, and then I'm going to top coat it. And these are the little rhinestones that came in with the kit, and I picked out the blue and green one to go with my nails today. And once you get them in place, just cure them for another 30 to 60 seconds and you're done. And now here I'm using the stickers that also came in with the kit, which are the little peacock stickers. And here's where I'm adding one, which I totally didn't know that I wasn't on camera. But there's a little peacock, and I'm gonna use one of the feathers also. And once you adjust your rhinestones and you put on your stickers, the last step is to put top coat on the top and bottom of your nails. And then you're going to stick it in your UV lamp for another 60 seconds. And voila! This is how they came out. Here I am putting some cuticle oil to make them look nice. You don't want your cuticles to be all rusty and crusty. Well, this is how they came out. I hope you love them. I love them. I think they came out nice. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video. Until next time. Bye.